Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information below and answer the questions that follow. If at the rate of xy is equal to remainder when x is divided by y, dollar of xy is equal to LCM of x and y, phi of xy is equal to HCF of x and y, omega of xy is average of x and y, find the value of dollar of phi of omega of at the rate of 25, 7, 22, 5, 3. We first evaluate at the rate of 25, 7. That is, when 25 is divided by 7, the remainder comes out to be 4. So we get the expression as dollar of phi of omega of 4, 22, 5, 3. Next, solving the expression omega of 4, 22, that is average of 4 and 22, we get the expression as dollar of phi of 13, 5, 3. Next, solving phi of 13, 5, that is HCF of 13 and 5, we get dollar of 1, 3. Dollar of 1, 3 is nothing but LCM of 1 and 3, that comes out to be 3. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information below and answer the questions that follow. If at the rate of x, y is equal to remainder when x is divided by y, dollar of xy is LCM of x and y, phi of xy is HCF of x and y, omega of xy is average of x and y, find the value of phi of dollar of 25, 45, 60 upon phi of omega of 4, 22, 5 minus omega of at the rate of 15, 4, 11 whole upon dollar of phi of 13, 5, 3. We first simplify the brackets dollar of 25, 45, omega of 4, 22 at the rate of 15, 4 and phi of 13, 5 and get the expression in the simplified form as phi of 225, 60 upon phi of 13, 5 minus omega of 3, 11 divided by dollar of 1, 3. Again simplifying, we get the expression as 15 by 1 minus 7 by 3, that is 45 minus 7 whole upon 3, which comes out to be 38 by 3 or 12, 2 by 3. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information below and answer the questions that follow. If at the rate of x, y is remainder when x is divided by y, dollar of x, y is equal to LCM of x and y, phi of xy is HCF of x and y, omega of xy is average of x and y, find the value of omega of dollar of 20, 15, 20, omega of phi of 60, 75, 21. We first simplify the bracket dollar of 20, 15 and phi of 60, 75. This gives the expression as omega of 60, 20, omega of 15, 21. Next, simplifying omega of 60, 20 and omega of 15, 21, that is average of 60 and 20 and average of 15 and 21, we get the expression as omega of 40, 18. Again, finding out the average of 40 and 18, we get 29, which is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I'm Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. Star and hash are defined over the set P, Q, R, S, T as shown in tables 1 and 2. Table 1 implies 2 star 4 is equal to 1, while table 2 implies 2 hash 4 is equal to 3, and so on. Also, if x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, x square is equal to x hash x, x cube is equal to x hash x, and so on. What is the value of 2 cube star 3 hash 4 star 2? We know that 2 cube will be 2 hash 2 hash 2. From the table, we observe that 2 hash 2 is nothing but 4. Therefore, it becomes 4 hash 2, which from the table can be seen as 2 hash 4, that is 3. Therefore, 2 cube comes out to be 3. Similarly, 4 star 2 from the table can be seen as 1. So the expression actually becomes 3 star 3 hash 1, that is 3 star 3 hash 1 can be seen from the table as 3. So the expression becomes 3 star 3, which again from the table can be seen to be 1. So the required answer is 1. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. Star and hash are defined over the set P, Q, R, S, T as shown in tables 1 and 2. Table 1 implies 2 into 4 is equal to 1, while table 2 implies 2 hash 4 is equal to 3, and so on. Also, if x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3 or 4, x square is equal to x hash x, x cube is equal to x hash x, and so on. What is the smallest positive integer n such that 3 to the power n is equal to 0? We first calculate 3 square, that is 3 hash 3, which can be seen from the table as 4. Next we calculate 3 cube, that is 3 hash 3 square or 4 hash 3, which can again be seen from the table as 2. Next we calculate 3 to the power 4, that will be 3 hash 3 cube or 3 hash 2, which from the table can be seen as 1. Similarly, we can calculate 3 to the power 5, which comes out to be 3, and 3 to the power 6, which comes out to be 4, and so on. Therefore, no such value of n exists for which 3 to the power n is equal to 0. This is the required solution. Thank you. Hello, I am Khushbu. The question is, read the information given below and answer the question that follows. Star and hash are defined over the set P, Q, R, S and T as shown in table 1 and 2. Table 1 implies 2 star 4 is equal to 1, while table 2 implies 2 hash 4 is equal to 3, and so on. Also, if x belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, x square is equal to x hash x, x cube is equal to x hash x, and so on. What is the value of 1 cube into 2 to the power 4 into 3 square into 4 cube? We know that 1 cube will be 1 hash 1 hash 1, which from the table comes out to be 1. 2 to the power 4 can be written as 2 hash 2 hash 2 hash 2, that will be 4 hash 4, which again comes out to be 1. Next, 4 cube can be written as 4 hash 4 hash 4, that is 1 hash 4, which again comes out to be 4. So, the expression actually becomes 1 star 2 star 1 star 4, that is 2 star 4 star 4, which comes out to be 1 star 4, that is 0. This is the required solution. Thank you.